Look on this with a calendar every year.
Okay. See the one right there? We got Christmas.
Don't what?
December 16th.
Okay.
It's flying. Look,
No, I didn't get him in mid-flight. I got him when he landed.
We try to relax yourself.
And see, the pictures keep coming out blurry like that.
Yeah. You need to come on close. Go click so.
No, I need to be still. No, you can't see the birds.
You got to take a picture of the bird. See them there? You're looking at them. You want a picture? See the small little tiny birds? Watch your hand, baby. We got what? 5 or 6?
I'm thirsty.
What did I eat?
I think they eat insects.
Okay. Or tree leaves. This one kind of on the trees.
I know that.
You have a juice in the bag,
Okay.
and I thought you'd drink it.
Mommy, drink some in my bag.
No, there's nothing in your bag.
Yeah, but I'm thirsty.
Let me get inside. You get some drink. So nosy now. This one leg.
Mommy, let's go, Mom. Mommy, let
I
me
want the one with the bright. You want the picture with the one with the bright yellow stripe around its neck. You get it?
This one came out a little bit better.
Birds, birds, birds.
Closer they get, the better. Everything is between us.
Let me see
They can't be
something.
captured, right?
Yeah.
They robbers making fun of wireless
If they're adults,
bitches.
how big are they babies? What the hell?
They very.
No, they're the big ones. They're the mommy and the daddy ones. The baby ones is the size of a B8.
Must be.
It's so tiny.
Mommy, look, they get to see me yellow, but just like a bee.
Mm-hmm.
They like a bee man.
Look at Mr. Robin. You see?
I also not
Over there by
Well,
the bakery.
that's a different type. I don't know what that
Looks
is.
like a robin. It's like a robin. It's not a banana bird.
I'm gonna have to bring my book next time. Book of Caribbean Birds.
Mommy, I don't see no.
We have a lot of them. Yeah, we have one long, tall, skinny
Mama.
white one that's be right over there.
What? What color, you white?
Robin.
He's so
Yeah,
annoying.
I wonder how these get so far in.
He's so annoying in the morning. Oh my god. See the next robin right up top there? Just doodled on call me girl. That in the morning he's so annoying. He's like,
He didn't walk on him. He's like, come on. Mommy, look.
no, he doesn't be making noise on our window.
Mommy, look.
So they've been this in the wildlife. I'm thinking I'm right. The bird.
Mommy, let's
What?
go.
The white bird. That's
Mommy,
where it comes from.